Hello and welcome to VB Learning Zone, brought to you by me, instructor Alex Headley. And in this tech help video we're going to build our first console application. So let's get to it. We'll open up Visual Studio in admin mode and we shall start by creating a brand new project. The project is going to be a console app, so if we search for console you'll see that there's different console apps. You can even go back to .NET Framework if you wanted to. We're just going to pick VB console app. We're going to call it my first console project, and I'm going to untick place solution and project in the same directory and click next. Framework, we want .NET 9 and click create. So it's going to use the inbuilt project template to create a console app, and this doesn't come with much, but we have a solution file, a project file, and then a single VB class called program or module. And as you can see, there's a main method that's our entry point to our console application, and it's using console.writeLine to write something to the console. So we'll open up the terminal just to show you an example. As you can see, this is the new terminal with Windows. You might be used to the old CMD or command prompt, where you can talk to the computer in DOS mode. We're basically building our own version of that. So if we click play, you'll see that a terminal pops up and then closes straight away. Now the reason for that is because that's all we've told the computer to do. We've said just write hello world and then close. So it's not particularly useful. So we're going to ask it for some input by saying console.readline, and then save that and run it again. And as you can see, we've written hello world to the console, and then the cursor is flashing because it's waiting for input from the readline command. If we type something in and press enter, then the application finishes and we are done. So that's the most simple way you can create a console app using Visual Studio and VB as your language. See you in the next one. Bye.